Okay, now we're moving on to question number 62. Let's take a look at this one. This one is a very abstract problem. That means we're going to go ahead and set up unknown numbers for it. Let's take a look. Now we have the mean value of 8 numbers together is 17. Well, based on this, I'm going to go ahead and have an 8 number sum divide by 8 is going to be 17. But why is that equation? Well, in here we have the mean value. We have to make sure that what does the mean stands for. Mean in another baby word stands for average, right? So let me write this out. Mean, it means average. So that means I'm going to go ahead and find the entire sum, divide by the amount of data. Okay, so based on this equation, we have, 8 numbers together is 17. So I'm going to have, 17 equal to sum of 8 numbers together divided by 8 is going to be 17. So that's going to be the first blue part right here. Let's take a look at the next one. It says 3 of these numbers is going to be 9, 11, 20. Based on that, I can actually replace them later. Now it says that, they are discarded. So that means you don't want that number. You want to throw them away. It says, what's the mean of the 5 remaining numbers? Okay, hold on. So we're looking for something that we don't know. But luckily, we already know that what we're throwing out. So let's take a look at this one. I'm going to have the 8 data. So 8 numbers together is going to be equal to what? Oh, hold on one second. I can use reverse calculation again. So in here, if I times 8, if I times an 8 on both sides, well, if it cancels out, I have the sum of 8 numbers right here. So let me write down the sum of these 8 numbers. It's going to be 8 times 17. Well, what would that number be? So 17 times 8. 56 and 8 together be 136. So I'm having number 136. Again, today we're trying not to use any calculators, trying to practice your mental math. So handwritten math is going to be the best friend. Okay, so based on that, I'm throwing out 9, 11, 20. So that means the sum of the remaining 5 numbers is going to be what? Oh, it's just going to be 136. Taking away the 9, taking away the 11, and taking away the 20. So let's take a look at what is this. I know that these two are going to be taking away together. I'm taking away 20. Taking away that together, I'm going to be another 20. So it's going to be 40 together. So I'm going to have 136 take away 40, which is going to be 96. Well, again, using the same exact equation, this is the equation that throughout the whole entire question. It's going to be the mean equal to the sum divided by the amount of data. So I want to change the color again. Well, I can find the mean of 5. Okay, that means I want to have the sum of the 5 numbers divided by the amount of 5. Great, we already know the sum is equal to 96. Divide by 5, just divide by 5. Very simple, right? So we're going to go ahead and simplify this equation. We have 96 divided by 5. Oh, let's go ahead and do that. 96 divided by 5. Well, let's take a look. I'm going to have 1, which is a 5. I got 46 remaining. I'm going to go ahead and have, times 9 is going to be a 45. We have 1 remaining. Oh, divide by 5 is simple. I'm going to add on right here, having a 10. Oh, that's actually just a 2. So we have a 19.2 as an answer.